Hello, this is Arbipic. Last week there was a flood of AI pics on Twitter, and Elon had to turn off grok image generation for a while, as everybody was interested in removing somebody's clothes and whatnot, which obviously goes viral. This is a recurring problem, and the gap between original and AI generated images is as thin as air. Here comes Arbipic into play. People might have already thought about the concept, but making it fast and compatible to the existing social media and the ease of use is what it's all about. Click a pic, verify it, and post it on your desired platform with just one click. So yeah, let me demonstrate it to you. So this is the contract which is written in Rust with stylus, is deployed on Orbital 3 as well as Arbitrum Sepolia. So the chain is running locally with Nitro test node on my Docker, and I've also imported an account with the Orbital 3 chain, which has much amount of it. So yep, I'm on Orbital 3. So if I click on new photo and I try to capture it, so once the image is captured, it registers the metadata, which is device type, timestamp, etc., which creates a unique fingerprint called hash. If a pixel changes on the image, whole hash gets changed. This is the photo hash and this is the ID. So yeah, it also creates a ZK proof which is stored locally on the browser and the device. So only your device can be used to prove it that you own it without revealing the image. This is best and much needed for areas like journalism, legal proceedings, and government areas in AI age. So if I click on verify button, it's uploading the image on IPFS, which can be retrieved by the user later and can be shared on any platform too. So yeah, since IPFS is decentralized and censorship resistant, it's much needed. So if I confirm the transaction which was done on Orbital 3, it is successful and I can see the transaction here. And if I click on view IPFS, I can see that image is stored on IPFS Pinata. So yeah, here are some more options like share on X. If I click on this button and put Control V, so the image is here with the verification link too. So I can say that yes, had dinner with CZ last night. So yeah, if the talk was real, anybody can verify that yes, I had dinner with CZ and it's not any AI generated image. So yeah, the ease of sharing it on social media and the ease of verification is what Arbipic is all about. I can also click on copy link and share it with anybody, which they can paste in their browser and see that yes, it is an authentic and verified photo on the platform, and this is the hash, verification ID, timestamp, and who is the owner of it. So yeah, I can also show that I own this photo with this button because it's in my device, so it's showing that I can prove the ownership. But if I paste the same link on different browser, it will say it is an authentic photo, but I cannot verify that I'm the owner of it because it's not on my browser where I click the picture. So this is a very secure thing which nobody can alter with. And the contract is written in Rust with Arbitrum stylus, so the gas costs are very low comparing to Solidity, and it's memory safe. It's deployed on Orbital 3 as well as Arbitrum Sepolia. I can also do the transaction here too. So if I go here and if I click on save original, it will save the image to my device. So for the sake, I'm changing the name so you don't get like the image is getting verified with the name on it. So if I go to another browser, which is Chrome, and if I select the image, it will say that yes, the image is authentic and verified. So this is another verification check of the image, and I can also click here and it will say that it is verified with ZK proof. If I click a new photo and try to do this transaction on Sepolia, Arbitrum Sepolia, if I click on secure verify, it's doing it again on IPFS, and then it will do the transaction on Arbitrum Sepolia. I forgot to change the account, my bad. Yes, if I do it again with the Orbit L3, the chain becomes native for this purpose only, which for demo I've deployed a Netro testnet node with a dedicated L3 layer, which I think already shown to you. So the near zero gas costs and private sequencing and custom gas tokens for photo credits, it becomes tremendously buttery for this platform. So yeah, it's successful, and if I click on view transaction, I can see and verify that yes, it's done on Arbitrum Sepolia. One thing I forgot to talk about is that you don't need to show the photo to prove that you own the photo. So with this link, I can just paste the link here, and okay, I have to change it to Sepolia. So yeah, with this link, anybody can verify that I own this photo, the image which is having this hash. So suppose in area of journalism or any legal proceeding, I have to show this hash to prove them that I own this photo, and if the matter gets solved, then I can show the photo later and they can verify the image with this hash that yes, I was right and I owned the photo and it was the right photo. So yeah, this is also part of it, and which is why the ZK proof is implemented in this. I think there are so many things that I can do better in it and more modernize it with multiple integrated platforms in it. So yeah, every day we wait, millions more fake images enter the internet. Arbipic isn't just an app, it's infrastructure for trust in the digital age. Built on Arbitrum, verified forever. Real images for a real world. Thank you. Have a nice day.